Today I'm doing crochet braid as usual.
I want to be a little bit extra. Eyelashes on, nails on.
Is the
blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Gonna make you not blue, not blue. Blue too, that blue, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
So today I'm doing crochet braid as usual, but I want to try something different. I want a bit of curly hair, so I got this. I was looking for something a bit shorter, but I couldn't find anything.
Mommy, look.
So I'm gonna use this. Actually, the hair is not that long. It's okay. You know, I can't cope with long hair. It's not my age anymore, and I can't cope with wig anymore. It's bouncy. Not really what I wanted. I was more after something a bit like afro hair, but I couldn't find anything. So let's see. My afro hair brush, and that's it. Gabriel, on va aller là. On va déjà prendre un roux par rapport au style que je vais faire. J'ai noté, là vient comme ça vient comme ça. Et là derrière, je vais juste faire 4 gros. Voilà mon setup. J'ai ma chaise, mon miroir là. On a déjà piqué partout, on a fait des crochets braid et maintenant ce qui me reste là, je vais utiliser pour remplir. Donc je compte avoir, je peux avoir une fente de côté comme ça, ou alors une fente au milieu, comme ça. Dépendamment de mon humeur. Donc là, je suis en train de remplir vraiment de telle sorte que ça look very natural. Oh, there you go.
La deuxième partie, moi je veux que des cas pratiques maintenant. C'est ça que les gens qui
commence
nous regardent là,
déjà
qui
à
ont pris leur cahier, leur
donner.
stylo, commencent à noter. Dans la vie de faire une position.
Si c'est
Cas
cas
pratique,
pratique, là,
tu sais
moi
pas.
j'ai un cas pratique.
Oui.
Une question cas pratique.
Oui.
Vous commencez une nouvelle relation. Le premier jour,
Le Covid.
On a fini. Alors, on part à la fente de côté.
Vous voulez.
Regarde.
Vous ne pouvez pas les faire parce que vous avez soif de ça.
Comme ça.
C'est ça qui nous a donné.
Voilà, on part à la fente au milieu.
Vous allez nous parler. Le peu qu'on a là, vous supportez. Mais je suis ensemble avec vous.
Hair done. I am finally done with the hair. So you can have a side part on here like this, or you can have a middle part like this, or you can have a bun. So job done. You know, when you just do the hair, you can't really see the beauty, but next few days, all done. Do you guys like it? Find the job. It's a bit different, isn't it? It's a little bit. I just have to open up the curl as well. Everywhere. All done. I like it.
Hello guys, how you doing? I'm going out tonight. I've got surprise birthday party for my husband's friend, very good friend. I feel like I want to be glamorous. Do you understand what I mean? I want eyelashes. I want to put eyelashes on. So I'm going out to get some nice natural eyelashes. I hope I'll be able to find it. And also, I want to put some nails on. I just feel like tonight I want to be a little bit extra. Eyelashes on, nails on. Sometimes I put nails on, but not every time. I can't stand. I used to put nails every 2 weeks when I was still working full-time on the corporate world. It was nice because, you know, when you type, you know, when you go and see your manager and you're typing and all that, when you type, people pass, it looked very cute. I had it on, I used to do it every 2 weeks. It actually spoiled my nails because I did it for almost 7 years and the state of my nails was absolutely disgusting, so I decided to stop. When we had coronavirus, I decided to stop. I'll stop it, and I actually have some very nice nails, very nice. But tonight, I want to be glamorous. I want eyelashes on, I want fake nails on, and I'm gonna do something. I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair. You saw me yesterday. I did this hair yesterday. I'm gonna do something nice. So let's go. I hope I will find something. Hopefully. My daughter was telling me that every time I always saying that I'm gonna have eyelashes on, but I always end up taking it off. And it's true. I actually brought eyelashes before, and I put it on, and I got to the car and I just took it off because I've got eyes problem. I can't see properly. You can see I'm always wearing glasses. So when I have something on the top of my eyes, I feel like I'm blind. Like I can't see. So will I be able to actually put those eyelashes on and go out tonight? I'm not sure. But let me just go and buy it and see if you can look glamorous. I bet still, I can still look glamorous with the eyelashes, isn't it? But let's try something new. It's 2023.
She goes her own way, like he don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt. Got some stuff. Goddamn, she's so.
C'est pour ça que j'aime le reste de nourriture. Le reste de sanga.
That's horrid.
Yeah, you didn't eat your finish your porridge. Bon appétit. Je viens de finir mon sanga. C'était trop bon. Sauf que le leftover là, c'était une petite quantité. J'ai encore envie de l'autre. Mais j'ai un problème. De toute façon, je mange le sanga comme ça. Là. Après, je compte manger le poulet là.
Mommy, look.
Le ventre là, il va partir. Est-ce qu'on doit avoir le ventre plat ce soir? Les femmes ont des problèmes. Oh, pour le ventre plat, on commence comme ça. On sait comment le ventre est déjà sorti.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Hey, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was. Now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby,
ooh, yeah. That's our motto, yeah. Real thing, she's no average girl.
Ils vont marier, tous ces wolo, la personne de fait. Tout le monde à la maison, happy birthday. Les femmes du futur, c'est de ça qu'il s'agit.
C'est amen to that.
Amen. I'm here to live, not to suffer.
No, not at all.
Not at all,
Not
This
at all.
is not our portion.
Not at all. I rebuked it.
Amen.
Ooh, babe, weak for your love. Everywhere we go.
Le rond permet de mieux circuler parce qu'en fait ici on est un petit peu à un carrefour entre la partie salon, la partie cuisine, le jardin et le reste des pièces.
C'est sympathique, franchement j'aime bien. C'est quoi?
C'est une matière naturelle.
Now we're going to do Mimi's hair. We're going to do Mimi's hair. No? You don't want to do your hair, Mimi? Alright. Do you want to do your hair?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is how Mimi's hair looks like. It is in a very... So we're gonna do this.
Ugly.
We're going to do this.
I'm ugly.
No, you're not ugly. You're very beautiful. Yeah? I'm not saying you're ugly. I say your hair look very, very dirty. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
My hair is ugly.
Your hair is ugly. It looks like. On va faire quelque chose de beau, de simple et de rapide pour 2 semaines.
La question n'a pas fait cette erreur-là qui a créé tous ces problèmes aujourd'hui.
Non, mais c'est elle qui était au courant de la maladie. C'est elle qui était au courant de la maladie. C'est elle qui ne fait pas confiance. D'accord.
We are done doing Mimi's hair. She looks so cute. Do you like your hair, Mimi?
Yeah.
You like it? Turn, let me see. Turn. This guy is a comedian. Let me see her. Hair is done.
Pizza, chocolat ou fromage contaminé, les scandales sanitaires ont défrayé la chronique l'an dernier. De l'industriel qui fabrique nos produits alimentaires jusqu'aux grandes surfaces qui les distribuent.
Français, ouais. C'est un choix qu'on défend depuis 13 ans. D'avoir un poulet français pour pouvoir justement garantir la qualité et la traçabilité de ce produit.
Avantage, ici pas de surgelé, que du poulet. Mais ils sont concurrencés de toutes parts. Au Cial, il y a les... En suivant notre enquête de l'autre côté de l'Atlantique, nous allons découvrir un secret jusqu'ici bien gardé par les éleveurs brésiliens qui les a bien aidés à devenir champions du monde 6 milliards de
Nice and clean, ready for school. Voilà, nous sommes arrivés à la fin de ce vlog du week-end. J'espère que vous avez aimé. N'oubliez pas de me donner un thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a comment down below. Et on se donne rendez-vous très prochainement pour une nouvelle vidéo. Gros bisous. Bye. Mwah.